Tapos, ayun, so umuwi ako ng 3. Nagpack pa ako, naghanap ako ng damit. Ang ending, CF lang din naman yung nadala. Tapos, pinak ko lang yung skincare ko. Tapos nakatulog na. Ang sabi kasi sa group, 4 daw. Sa GC namin, 4 daw gigising. So, mga 3:30 na nun, 3:40 na nag-TikTok pa ako. Nag-scroll pa yan siya. Tapos, pangpatulog lang ba? 3:47 na. Wala, hindi pa rin makatulog. Sabi ko, wala nang pag-asa to kasi 4 daw gigising. Maya-maya, nag-ayos ako ng, wait lang, before pala ako makatulog, before ako maghiga, inayos ko yung bag ko, I realized, oh my God, my passport is not with me. Sabi ko, shocks, yung passport ko na kay Laura pala. So, na-realize ko lang siya at around 3:30 a.m. Crazy, right? Tapos yun. Buti na lang, pauwi na siya galing Pampanga. It's live. Tapos yun.
You're live?
Yeah. Say hi.
Profile again?
No, what profile?
What's your old one?
It's the same, yeah. And then, tapos yun, ano pa ba? Yun nga, mga 3:47 na, diba? Nag-scroll ako sa TikTok. Hindi ako makatulog. Fake news yung sinabi nilang 4 o'clock. 5 pala. So, mga 4:30. Tinry ko pa rin pumikit. Tulala lang talaga ako. Hindi ako nakatulog at all. So, inisip ko, sige, sa kotse na lang. Kotse, papuntang airport kasi medyo matagal yung biyahe. Ang ending, nag-makeup ako for like 1 hour. Charot. Mga 15 minutes ako nag-makeup. Masilya pa, gano'n. Charing. Tapos, yun, nag-makeup ako for like 15 minutes. Tapos, dinay ko. Pero wala, hindi talaga kaya. Hindi ako nakatulog at all. And then I'm here.
Kindly proceed to gate 103 and wait for your flight boarding announcement. Once again, to all important passengers of AirAsia Flight Xavier.
Nagandahan tayo dito sa airport dahil wala akong
Kindly proceed to gate 103 and wait for your flight boarding announcement. Thank you.
ganito ang walang tulog, baliw-baliwan. Mabaliw na lang talaga. Pero alam mo yun, kanina parang feeling ko may himatay na ako. Pero dead. Okay, yun lang. Sumbong lang ako. Wala akong tulog. This is my airport outfit.
All passengers, please attend your baggage at all times and not accept baggage from strangers. Unattended baggage will be received by our security personnel and subjected to rigid inspection.
Diba? Tingnan mo, pag hinawakan mo ko, ang init ko talaga. Hawakan mo. Diba? Ang init. Ba't ang aga niyo magising? Type C? Yeah. I know, it's there pala. Naka-check-in. ate. Ayoko na kasi matulog. Kasi nga, sasakit lang ulo ko. Sinasave ko na lang sa plane. Kaya, maglibot na lang tayo. Bam! Wanna come with me? You want fries? Come. Bigay mo yung iPad mo kay ano? Kay auntie. Kasama ko ngayong travel ang aking pamilya. Dapat hindi pa ako makakasama. Ay! Actually, parang binuk lang ata nila ako. Mama, they...
No, it looks like for grand.
You don't like it?
Yeah. I want like your pants and your dumbbell.
Because... Because... What?
When I'm wearing Charlotte Foclet's live.
When you're wearing Charlotte Foclet's live.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is for
Ay, ate. Ay, si Kuya Mac, oh.
Hi, Kuya Mac.
Ano oras na pala? Uy, alayo pala ng lalakarin natin. Huwag na.
Well, thank you.
Oh, there's potato corner here. In the corner. In the corner, at the corner, on the corner, between the corner. You choose.
Mom, this is the moment of it. I'm gonna remove it now.
Why are you gonna remove it?
I don't like it.
But it's
I'm gonna
nice.
make it curly.
Huh?
Make it curly.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng jacket ko. Saan yung kabay? Tori, you like my jacket? It's from...
I want like.
You like it? You want?
I mean, I have the same pants as you, but not like that. It's like beige.
Beige? Wow, ah. Alam mo yung beige? What's beige? Ha? Saan mo natutunan yung beige?
I don't know. I just learned it on TikTok.
Ay, may gana rin. May kwenta rin pala ang TikTok mo. Hala, wow! Hair reveal. Patingin, Bam. Period. So, we're going to Bangkok. And, I don't know kung ano gano'n. Why are you laughing? We're going to Bangkok.
I have internet in the plane.
Really?
Yeah, I download Stan.
Ba't may internet ka sa plane?
Someone is going to Korea.
Kunwari, magka-FaceTime lang tayo. Where's potato corner na? Mahimatay na lang talaga. Ikaw po ba si Charlotte po? Tori, answer the question.
Yeah.
Ikaw po ba si Charlotte po? Someone asked.
Me?
Me.
Yeah.
Yeah. What yeah? Not even. Ay. Nakakahiya pala mag-ano. Asa na? Sabi nasa corner lang. Parang kabilang kanto na yan, te. Did you guys buy this sweater? I like this sweater so much. go, bye! So, pagpunta ko ng Bangkok, I'll just eat BHC cheese balls and boat noodles. And I've been for BHC. Hello! Hi po! What flavor do you want?
What's the green one?
Ay, sige po.
What's the
What,
green one?
what size? This one?
Okay. I want barbecue
Pop?
and
Ay, may iba pa? Ay, pa! Ba, ma'am, you want chicken?
you eat the chicken na lang. I don't want chicken.
You don't like chicken? O, fries na lang.
Yeah.
Ay, wag na lang daw
What's
po.
the flavor?
Etong size na lang po.
What's the flavor?
Ano daw po yung green?
Green po, wasabi po yan, ma'am.
Ay, wasabi yan. Wag yan.
I want sa'yo po cheese and something. Yung barbecue kasi ma'am, medyo maanghang.
I want both.
You want both? Both daw po.
What size, ma'am?
Yung eto po. That's it? Ha?
Cheese, ma'am.
Apo. Sour cream and cheese. Tori. T-O-R-I.
162, ma'am.
Tori, come here.
Chili cheese pa nga.
Ma'am, may 12 pesos ka ba?
12 pesos. Wala. Sorry, ate.
Sige po.
Hi, dong. Say sawadika. Sawadika.
Ma'am, okay na po ba? Kulang ako piso.
Okay lang, ate. Kahit sa'yo na yung sukli. Sure. Sa'yo na yan, te.
Thank you po.
I don't like hot weather.
Ba, ma'am, lagay ka ng alcohol.
Lalapsan ka na.
No, but
Di pa okay lang.
Thank you po. Bamba mo. Inites pa? Pakita natin yung fries. I can't eat fries. It's so unhealthy. Hala. Tori, ganyan pala. First, sa airport pa lang gusto mo na ng toy.
but I don't like it.
You don't like it? Ayan na, yun na, yun na. Guys, alam nyo ba, wala yung parents ni Tori. Ako yung ako yung nanay niya sa trip na to. Di ba, Tori? I'm your mom.
Yeah. How many days will we stay here? 5?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
I said 1 month.
You want 1 month?
No.
Maybe we can live there na lang.
No, it's so hot. I want to live in Korea.
Bro, it's the same weather in the
I
Philippines.
wanna go to Korea.
Wanna go to Korea? And then let's eat,
Why is it so low?
Yung mother ko sa'yo, eh.
Okay.
Sabi niya, okay. Totoo si ate.
I feel sleepy.
Sleepy? Me too. I'm sleepy too. That looks good. Maybe I can have like 3 pieces lang. Should I eat?
Yes, eat 4, 5. Or 1.
Just one.
You said 4.
Ay, it's not ours pa pala ata eh.
No, what?
Yeah, it looks good. Ayaw.
Then eat.
But I'm on a diet. I feel so fat.
So eat 1.
Just one. Okay.
And then when in Bangkok, you eat diet food.
Okay. Thank you, Bam Bam. Our pretty boy.
You're a boy?
Huh?
Nero.
No. So what if I'm a boy? Ito hindi na nakalimutan talaga yun, no? Hindi mo na nakalimutan, Box, no? Alam nyo ba kanina? Dun sa, yung nag-check ng ay, yung pag di ba, uhulin yung mga damit-damit yun. No, I'm not gonna kwento. Tapos, sabi sa akin ni Mama, alam mo ba, merong parang, nung nakita ka niya, parang pumunta daw dun sa kasama, parang kilala daw ata ako. Tapos sabi ni Mama, daw, chismosa talaga to. Sabi ni Mama, parang ilang na ilang siyang sabihin na tomboy yung nakakilala sa akin. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ha?
I'm sorry.
Why say sorry? Bakit ilang na ilang si Mother? I'm so sick. Hala, boarding na daw.
Boarding?
Yeah. Oh, what does that mean?
We're going to the hospital.
Yeah.
You can see it?
You can yeah?
No.
No, mommy.
Wearing the red one.
Where?
No, the girl with the jacket.
I think that's ours.
No, it is like this one.
No, ginoke lang kita. I bought the big one for you. Because you deserve the best.
What's that? What are you saying?
What are you saying? Ayan na, Bam Bam. Thank you po. Tori, let's go.
I thought the small one was mine.
No, can I have one? Just one. Wag na. No. I won't eat. Go eat na.
Later.
I'll buy you a lot of toys in Bangkok.
But that's old toys.
No, I'll buy you the newest one. Kasi I miss you. Parang ngayon lang tayo ulit nag-bonding na, Tori. Yan yung anak ko ngayong trip dahil wala yung parents niya.
Sila wala nag-banding. Banding pa? You're always in the office.
Yeah, kasi I'm always working, no?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. I made time for you na nga.
How did you get that dog? What's your friend's name?
Huh?
What's your friend's name?
My friend?
The friend's name?
Lou?
No, the dog's owner.
Charlie.
What's the name of the owner?
Lou nga, Lou. Sabi mo hindi ka kakain na. Ba't sumusubok ka na dyan? Tori, I'm so excited to eat cheese balls. Like, BHT cheese balls. I
Only in
always...
Korea.
Bra, meron na sa Bangkok.
No.
I can't wait to eat that.
There's no. I drink water.
You want water? Haggard ko na, Box. Mahimatay na lang.
If you're wearing that. I'm dying.
Why?
I need water.
You need water? Tara, let's buy. Buy na, guys.
You're rich.
No, I'm just hardworking. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in Thailand. Say sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
Bye-bye. Ay, daming tao. Bye.